All right, y'all. Here we are. Here's the finished project. Look at that floor. Woo! That's nice. Wow. Look at this house, man. This house is only $650 a month. Man, this house easy would go for probably $2,000 in California. Easy. Look at that. Nice. It's a really nice house. But I just did this today and go up in this other room. Look at this. Just did that floor. Ooh. That one. That's one of the bedrooms. We got another bedroom right here. This one I just finished. Bam, bam. Oh, yeah, got some dust on there. Got that bedroom. Got this bedroom. Gonna be putting carpet in it tomorrow. Didn't today because I don't have a carpet kicker. But I'll be doing this room tomorrow. That one. This bathroom. Actually, I'm gonna do something with it. Ow, shit. Step on a nail. That big old backyard. Little barn right there. This room, two closets, that room, this hallway, this big old kitchen, this big old bathroom, this big living room. Actually, I'm gonna be running some pipe gas line from over there all the way to here, and I'm gonna run some gas under the floor under this house. We're a little up, and I'm gonna put a fireplace right here for the owner. And then you got that, and this is how the front yard looks. And then you'd be coming in. Actually, this is how this house looks on the outside. And this house is going for only $650 a month. But there you have it. And that's what I do for a little extra money.